Alright, so first things first, what exactly is ChatGPT for anyone that's never heard of it, even though by now you probably have because everyone on YouTube is talking about it. So ChatGPT is simply an AI bot where you're going to be able to have a conversation with it. You can ask it any question that you want, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to be able to give you a detailed answer back. And not only can you ask it any question, but you're going to be able to ask it to do various different things that normally you would have to pay a freelancer hundreds of dollars for them to do it for you. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do all of that in a moment. But one of the first things that you need to be aware of is exactly how to sign up to it. So the first website that you need to go to is openai.com. This is what the homepage is going to look like. What you simply need to do is scroll down over here where it says ChatGPT. Then what you need to do is click on this option over here. From this point, you can either log in if you've already got an account. If you don't have an account, of course, you're going to click on sign up. And from this stage, you can either sign up using your Google account or your Microsoft account. And all you simply need is a mobile phone number so that they can validate that you're a real person. All right, so jumping straight into one of the first ways that you can use it when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing is by writing blog articles. So one of the things that I really like about ChatGPT is that number one, it's going to be able to help you when it comes to doing the research for the article. And number two, it's going to be able to fully write the article for you in a matter of minutes. And for those of you that are complete beginners, one of the best ways that you're going to be able to do affiliate marketing for you to be able to make a passive income over the long term is by building a website, which is fairly easy to do, and then posting articles on a consistent basis, getting those websites ranked on Google, but making sure that you're putting affiliate links within those articles. And let me quickly show you a basic way of how I would do it using ChatGPT and the Amazon affiliate marketing program. So as you guys can see right here, I asked it what consumer electronics is sold on Amazon for over $500. Now, the reason why I specifically said over $500 is because I want to know items that have a higher price point, because the more expensive the item is, if someone clicks on my link, buys the product, I'm going to be able to make a high commission. So the way that I personally like to do it is by focusing on promoting items that are sold for over $500. It then gave me a list of 10 other items that I could potentially start promoting on my blog website. For example, cameras, smartwatches, headphones, e-readers, soundbars, exercise equipment, etc., etc. And I decided to go with DSLR cameras. So I then asked it, can you tell me the top 10 DSLR cameras that are over $500 on Amazon? And that's exactly what it did. It gave me all of these different cameras that are really popular on Amazon that are sold for over $500. I then asked it to write me a 200-word blog article on every single one of the different cameras. And then with all of these different 200-word articles, I'm going to be able to put them all together and make a 2,000-word article, which is really good when it comes to increasing your chances of you being able to rank on Google. And by the way, if you want to see me build an affiliate marketing website from scratch where I show you everything you need to know as a beginner from point A to B, then put in the comments down below, do the website video, and I'll get onto that ASAP. But first things first, I want to show you exactly what you need to do once you've built your website. So as you can see, here's the article right here, the top 10 DSLR cameras in 2023. I've got the introduction to the article right here. I've got the first camera in the list. I've also got the actual article right here for all of the different cameras. And scrolling down to this section over here, this is the Amazon affiliate link. And the way that you're going to find that once you've signed up to the Amazon Associates program is that you're going to go over to the product page for whatever product that you're looking to promote. And as you can see right here, the price is currently selling for around £2,499, which means that if someone clicks my link and buys this particular product, I'm going to be able to make around 5% in commissions, which is going to be around £125 every single time someone buys this product. And the way that you're going to find your affiliate link once you've logged in to your Amazon Associates account is that you're going to see this gray bar at the top right here, and then you can either click on any one of these different options, but in this case I'm going to click on text plus image. It's then going to show me exactly what it's going to look like on my website, and then all I simply need to do is just copy this code over here, and that's exactly what I've pasted in this section over here. And just to give you a preview of exactly what this blog article is going to look like, if I just click on preview right there and click on this option, this is what the person's going to see once they click into my article. Scrolling down, they're going to see the title, they're going to see the introduction, they're going to see the first camera, they're also going to see the affiliate link right here. And if someone clicks on this link, it's going to take them directly to the Amazon product page. From there, if they click on buy now, I'm going to be able to make a commission. And for those of you that are a little bit skeptical right now and you're thinking about, Sam, how exactly are people going to come across my website for them to even click my Amazon affiliate link in the first place? And it's a really good question, but it's not really that difficult. Again, all you need to do is get your articles ranked on Google. And as you can see right here, with one of my new websites, which is the successwithbusiness.com website that I just showed you right now, if I go to Google and type in, can I still make money with dropshipping in 2023, and scroll down over here, as you can see, my website is on the first page of Google for an article that I didn't really write that long ago. So one of the key things that you need to remember moving into the new year is that you need to make sure that you have the mindset that it's very possible for you to get your articles ranked on Google. The more articles that you have out there, the more affiliate links that you have within your articles, the more money you're going to make. All right, so moving on to one of the final ways that you can use ChatGPT to help you when it comes to making money online, which is with short form content affiliate marketing. And the way that this works, again, is very simple. All you're going to do is create short form content either on Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even YouTube Shorts. Then what you're going to do is put a link in your bio and send those people to a landing page. And then from there, you're going to send them out various different affiliate offers that relate to the main reason why they signed up to your landing page in the first place. And the reason why I'm telling you guys to do this is because, of course, I myself believe in short form content. As you can see on one of my Instagrams, which is success.with.sam, feel free to follow me. Every single day I'm producing a brand new Instagram reel. And because I've been very, very consistent when it comes to posting all of these different reels, a lot of them are going somewhat viral for this particular Instagram page anyway. But the key is to make sure that you're publishing daily videos that relate to the general theme of the Instagram page, TikTok page, or the YouTube page. And before you know it, you would have built up momentum to the point where you've got a steady stream of people clicking on your landing page link every single day. And just to give you a quick example of how all of this stuff works, if we head over to ClickBank, which is an affiliate marketing network with various different products, you're going to be able to see all of these different categories at the top right here. But in today's example, I'm going to click on this one over here, which is spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. Then what I'm going to do is sort the results from gravity high to low. And gravity is simply the score that shows us how many different affiliate marketers out there are successful when it comes to promoting any particular product, which means that the higher the gravity score, the more likely you're also going to be able to have success as well. And as we can see, there's this product right here, which is called the Wealth Manifestation, which has a really high gravity score, and we're also going to be able to make around $50 per every single conversion. So let's say, for example, I wanted to put my efforts into promoting this particular product. One of the first things that I'm going to do is head back over to ChatGPT, and as you can see over here, I asked it if it's going to be able to write me an ebook about manifestation and money. It then said sure, and it gave me the basic outline for the ebook, every single chapter that it's going to write about. I then told it to write me 500 words for all 10 chapters. I copied and pasted the ebook into a Word document, again, making sure that I'm double checking the grammar, the spelling, and just also making sure that the information is correct. And then from there, you can now use something like Aweber when it comes to creating your landing page. So this is a quick example of what it's going to look like once the person on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube clicks on the link in my description. They're going to see this page right here. Once they click this option, the ebook is going to get sent directly to them. And then once they're in my email list, I'm now going to be able to start sending them out valuable emails about the law of attraction, manifesting money, etc., etc. And I'm also going to be able to send them this affiliate link, which is a product that's potentially going to help them start manifesting wealth, manifesting money, which is obviously what they're interested in because they downloaded this ebook. But of course, this video is just a basic explanation of exactly how you can use ChatGPT when it comes to making money with affiliate marketing. There's a lot more that goes into it, and I've got many more videos on the way. So make sure if you like this type of content, you press the like button. I'll really appreciate that because it allows me to know what type of videos you guys like. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when a new video has been released. And if you want to sign up to my completely free email newsletter where twice a week, I'm going to personally send you out an email to help you when it comes to making money online, whether it's an email about affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, dropshipping, whatever the case is. You're going to receive an email from myself personally to help you on your money making journey. So you can sign up for that by clicking the first link in the description down below. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I broke down some other important things that you guys need to know if you want to make money with your own affiliate marketing website that I didn't really talk about in today's video, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that video out straight after this one because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.